Apply for t-shirt, flat, circle jersey, etc. Control panel. Aluminum heating plate, not easy for deformation and heating will be even. Hydraulic oil pump. Turn on machine. Set temperature. Set time. Automatic mode. Manual mode. Hydraulic switch. Emergency stop button. Time counter when it's on automatic mode. Station switch when manual mode. Heating plate drop function. Heating plate will be rise up when it press emergency stop. Heating plate rise when turned to manual mode. Manual mode. Operating demo. Place t-shirt. Place sublimation paper. Push switch station. Push drop. When time is up, heating platen will go up. Push switch station. Remove the sublimation paper. Automatic mode. Operating demo. Place t-shirt. Place sublimation paper. Time counter for station switch. When time is up, heating platen will go up. Time counter for station switch. Remove the sublimation paper. Process is done.